So here on the Spark homepage, the first thing you will see are some social media formats, some templates to choose from, and they will put your most recent projects down below. So I'm going to click on Create a Project, and all of these different options will pop up. I'm going to select video because I mentioned that it's the most versatile format in Spark and any age group can use it. It will begin with this page where you can brainstorm a little bit, get some ideas down. I'm just going to skip this for this presentation, and your templates will pop up. So students or adults can select promote an idea, tell what happened, a hero's journey, show and tell, personal growth, teach a lesson, an invitation, or make up my own. I'm going to start from scratch or make up my own. And what I like about Spark is before you begin work, this little tutorial video will always pop up on quick tips. So I'm going to play it for you because it is very brief, but it really gives you a nice overview of what Spark can do. Okay, so I'm going to click OK, I'm ready, so we can practice using some of these features that were just mentioned in this video. So here's my video template. If I simply click the plus sign, I'm going to be prompted to either include a video, some text, a photo, or an icon. So I'm just going to begin with some text. I'm thinking of making a video for my students who are at home with the school closure. So I'm just going to give them a quick message of hello. And whenever I want to add something else to my video, I simply click the plus sign. So I can upload videos from my drive and any photos that I have. I would like to include a photo, and all of these options pop up. So if you have photos in any of these locations, you're welcome to use them. Again, you can upload videos. I'm just going to use the Find Free Videos from the Spark database, and I'm looking for some photos of students. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. And remember, the video just mentioned that you can reorganize your slides. You can move them around if you choose. Let me add another one in there to show you that. Okay, but since that's my hello slide, I want that first. So you click on your next slide to build if you're ready, but you can also narrate. So maybe I want to record my voice. Hello. Hello. Okay, and let's add another slide. So again, video, text, photo, icon. And a message, and I will record. I miss you all. So you have some options over here. You can go full screen, split screen, add a caption, title and text. And there's also some resizing options. You can leave it at widescreen, or you can select square. I happen to like it on widescreen, so I'm going to switch it back. Let's add one more page to our video. and simply click the plus, add another photo, and record. I can't wait to see everyone. So you also have some theme options. So let me just scroll through these. I'm just going to select focus. It's nice and simple. And then my favorite feature in Spark is music. So you heard a little bit playing in the background because I had it on from recording my presentation. But you will see that Spark has music categorized. So you have some playful tunes, you have some relaxed tunes, you have some rousing tunes, thematic, thoughtful, uplifting. So I'm going to select an uplifting tune since I want to inspire my students with this little video. And you can preview it at any time as you're working. So let's just hear what we have so far. Hello. I miss you all. I can't wait to see everyone. So it's just a very easy, convenient, quick way to put together a video presentation. It does not take a lot of time, yet I think it does create a very dramatic and engaging video for anyone. So you have the option to share this video, you can publish it, you can invite people, you can download it. So this is how to make a video in Adobe Spark.